Yes, hello to the second part of the ELMO booth, talking about new products. We see here calibration works. That means you have two screens placed on several positions in the world. That means this may be in UK or this may be in Japan or so, and you can work together on one sheet of these screens that are here available, like an interactive board, and you can see what you are doing here is also on this board on the other location. You can share here data, you can use a whiteboard to give instructions or to do some notices. You can take a camera to these as addition, and you can have a video conference, and also it is possible to do that on the same time on both locations. That means collaboration works is to share data, to share files, to share videos and so on. You can give instructions to a company's part, to a branch office maybe, or to a service station that you placed in other locations, in other world positions, and therefore we made a system that offers the capabilities to do to share informations between these two locations. The website is elmoeurope.com. My name is rAVe. I'm the technician from ELMO.